Welcome to Driven Autos, your trusted source for expert reviews, comprehensive car insights, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander, a versatile SUV that has evolved into a well-rounded option for drivers seeking a blend of practicality, performance, and modern technology. With a refreshed design, impressive specifications, and a host of advanced features, the Mitsubishi Outlander continues to make waves in the highly competitive midsize SUV segment. In this review, we'll explore its standout qualities, key specifications, and what makes it a standout choice for those looking for an efficient yet capable family vehicle. The exterior design of the Mitsubishi Outlander exudes a modern and sophisticated vibe, marked by sharp, angular lines and a bold stance. The updated front fascia features a wide, angular grille flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the SUV a strong road presence. The clean, sculpted side profile and refined wheel arches highlight the Outlander's dynamic character, while the rear offers distinctive LED taillights and a well-integrated bumper. The overall design strikes a balance between rugged capability and urban elegance, making the Outlander suitable for both family trips and daily commutes. With its carefully curated color options and premium detailing, the Outlander presents a stylish exterior that is sure to impress. Under the hood, the Mitsubishi Outlander offers a range of engine options designed to provide a perfect blend of power, performance, and fuel efficiency. The Outlander is equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an adequate amount of power for a comfortable and confident driving experience. The engine is mated to a continuously variable transmission (CVT), ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery. For those looking for a more eco-conscious option, Mitsubishi offers a hybrid variant that combines an electric motor with the gasoline engine, offering improved fuel economy and lower emissions. This hybrid option is ideal for drivers who prioritize sustainability without compromising on performance. Additionally, the Outlander is available with an all-wheel drive system, providing enhanced traction and stability, especially on rough terrain or in adverse weather conditions. Inside, the Mitsubishi Outlander offers a spacious, comfortable, and tech-laden cabin designed to keep passengers engaged and relaxed on long journeys. The interior boasts high-quality materials and thoughtful design touches that create an inviting atmosphere. The Outlander features a user-friendly infotainment system, centered around a touchscreen display that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands for seamless connectivity. The system's intuitive interface allows drivers to easily access navigation, music, and communication options. Additionally, a digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, while a premium sound system adds an immersive experience for all passengers. The Outlander offers ample seating space for up to 7 passengers, with the third-row seats ideal for children or occasional use. Safety is a top priority in the Mitsubishi Outlander, and it comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features to ensure peace of mind. Standard safety features include forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The Outlander also comes with a 360-degree camera system, enhancing visibility and assisting with parking and tight maneuvers. Mitsubishi's RISE reinforced impact safety evolution body structure ensures a high level of protection in the event of a collision, while multiple airbags and electronic stability control further bolster safety. Practicality is another key strength of the Outlander, with ample cargo space and versatile seating configurations that make it suitable for families and adventurers alike. The hybrid version offers even better fuel efficiency, making it an attractive option for those looking to save on running costs. Whether you're driving through city streets or taking the road less traveled, the Outlander is engineered to provide a comfortable and reliable driving experience. Thank you for watching Driven Autos, your trusted source for expert car reviews and the latest automotive news. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and updates on the most exciting vehicles in the market. Let's continue exploring the future of mobility together.